Hi, I'm Guy. I'm a second year apprentice here at the Innovation Hub at Seco Tools UK. We are currently prepping for the ITI event this coming October. So one of the current projects I'm working on is the A350 fuel connector. Now, with this exhibition this year, we're really looking at trying to show full solutions to our customers based around real-life products. So this fuel connector is an actual working part on an Airbus, and we're looking at improving cycle times and getting the cost down as much as possible. Not only are we trying to reduce it with good tooling and good programming, but we're also looking at other technologies such as Wogaard. Wogaard look at recycling coolant that's come off the swarf using a Venturi system that's sucking it back up into the coolant tanks again. Now, this is reducing massive costs. So not only is your cost down on hopefully us improving your cycle times, but as well improving the costs of less coolant wasted. So as well as reducing that, we're also helping the environment, which is becoming an increasing issue we're finding in the engineering industry. We're looking at reducing our carbon footprint and our wastage.
The Wogaard system for us has given us significant cost savings in the use of coolant. Not only is it good for the environment, it saves a lot of money, and we're also really interested in green manufacturing, so for us it is the way for the future. I wouldn't be without Wogaard. It's simple, easy to use, very simple to install, and it lasts forever, so for us it's a win.